Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out here in Canva. Let's begin. Logging out of Canva is a simple process that you can do both on the web and on your mobile app. Now, in my case, all I'm gonna do is go to the upper left corner and click on the home button, because that would lead you to the homepage. And for you to be able to log out of your account, I want you to click on the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. And then if you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. And at the very bottom, you would see there's going to be an option that says sign out of all accounts. This is particularly useful if you are using multiple accounts. In my case, I have like 4 accounts here in Canva. 2 of them are Canva Pro subscription, and the other 2 are for the YouTube tutorials. All right, so all you're gonna do is click on the sign off of all accounts, and that's basically it. It's a very easy and a straightforward thing to do. But if in case you encounter any problem signing out of your account or all of your accounts here in Canva, the next thing that you need to do is contact the customer support service, and from here just type in your question to see if you get an answer. Alternatively, there's going to be a chat bot on the bottom right corner. You can simply type in to see if you get an answer here. And once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems logging out of your account, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix your problem. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. You can also attach a screenshot here. We will see you again in the next video.